How to deposit money on Coinbase app or Coinbase on your PC, or how you can add money to your Coinbase account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Geek. In today's video I'll show you how you can deposit money into your Coinbase account, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, Coinbase has recently established itself as one of the most popular exchanges for buying and selling cryptocurrency, and it also offers a wide variety of coins at decent pricing with high liquidity, making it easy to trade between digital currencies on cash out. Now first we will learn how to deposit money in a Coinbase on a PC. If you're in the US, you can actually fund your Coinbase account with money via a wire, which means bank transfer, ACH transfer, or PayPal. And now we'll see how each option works. So first we will get with the bank transfer one. If you don't know what wire transfer is, a wire transfer is the electronic transfer of money from one bank account to another. When you execute a bank wire transfer, you effectively instruct your bank to transfer the cash from your account to your Coinbase account. So open your browser and visit the official Coinbase website, which is pro.coinbase.com. I'll also make sure to leave a direct link down in the description box. And then on the next page, you have to simply enter your credentials in order to go ahead and then log in, enter your email, your password, and hit the sign in button. Once you've signed in, you'll see this kind of interface. You have to click on the trade button, which is at the bottom left corner, to navigate to the trading section of your account. As soon as you do that, here under the wallet balance section, you have to simply click on deposit. The wallet balance tab is on the left hand side of the screen, so as you can see over here as well. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the next page. Now over here, you have to simply click on currency type and select USD or any other currency that you want to withdraw from the drop down menu over here. In my case, I'll just select USD to leave it at that. And on the next page, you have to simply click on the option called wire transfer, and you will then be provided with a unique reference code or a personal account number to help you initiate the transfer. And like that, you have to follow the on-screen instructions in order to complete the process. And once you've initiated a bank wire transfer, the money is credited to your Coinbase account within 24 hours. In fact, if you initiate the process by 1 p.m. PT, the money will be hit your account on the same day. And that's all it takes to deposit money into your Coinbase account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.